After receiving the product, open the package and you will see that all components are fully wrapped with thickened EPE foam for layered protection, helping prevent damage during transportation. On the top layer, there are 5 transparent acrylic panels. Both sides of each acrylic panel are covered with a protective film. When you are ready to use the product, please remember to remove all protective films. The lower layer contains the main frame and all accessories, including 1 304 stainless steel standing grid, 4 silicone hand access port components, 4 support columns with embedded nuts at both ends, 1 87mm drain hose, 1 in-cabin spray nozzle connection hose, 1 304 stainless steel spray nozzle. The nozzle supports manual water control and also has a continuous water flow mode. 1 water heater shower adapter, used to connect hot water from a household water heater into the cabin. 1 1-inch PVC drain connector with a waterproof sealing ring on the threaded area. It can be used with the included drain hose or connected to a commonly available 1-inch PVC pipe. 1 drain plug, which can be used when the product is used as a mobile pet toilet. 1 pair of installation gloves. Now let's begin the product installation demonstration. First, put on the installation gloves. Take out the included Phillips screwdriver and 1 pack of 304 stainless steel screws. Then take out the product base, which is integrally injection molded from ABS. Remove the protective film from the PVC support columns. There are 4 types of screws included. Take the long screws with the smaller head and insert them into the screw holes of the base. Then place each support column into its corresponding position and tighten the screws. Install all 4 support columns in the same way. Here's an installation tip. First, place the screw into the screw hole, then use the screwdriver to push the screw outward. Press the screw down by hand until it is flush with the screw hole. After that, insert the support column into the corresponding slot, and the screw can then be tightened smoothly. After all 4 support columns are installed, place the 304 stainless steel standing grid into the base. Next, we will demonstrate the installation of the acrylic side panels. Remove the protective film from the acrylic panel. Before installing the panel onto the frame, we need to first lock the silicone hand access port onto the acrylic panel. Installing the silicone hand access port is very simple. Stand the acrylic panel upright, find the thin edge of the silicone hand access component, and insert it into the opening. Push one side in with one hand, and pull the other side out with the other hand, so the acrylic panel fits into the groove of the silicone component. Then align the 4 screw holes. The screws used here are divided into 2 parts, a longer part and a shorter part. First, insert the longer part from the bottom, then tighten the shorter part from the other side. Install all 4 silicone hand access ports in the same way. Finally, insert the 4 installed transparent panels into the slots between the support columns. Now we will install the 5mm thick top acrylic panel. Before installing the top panel, think about where you want to place the wash and dry cabin. If your water heater is on the left side, place the round hole with the water heater connector on the left side. Also decide whether the opening door panel should face the front or the back. After confirming the correct direction, screw in the large head 304 stainless steel screws. Do not fully tighten the screws at the beginning. First, insert all 4 screws into their screw holes, and then tighten them completely. Next, install the water heater adapter. Take out the adapter and unscrew it into 2 parts. There is no strict upper or lower direction. First, pass one part through the round hole on the top panel, then tighten it with the other part. Then find the connection hose and the spray nozzle and install them in order. Finally, we will demonstrate the installation of the drain plug and the 1-inch drain connector. When the product is used as a mobile pet toilet, the drain plug can be installed to seal the drain outlet. When the product is placed near a fixed drain outlet, the 1-inch drain connector and drain hose can be used. The 1-inch drain connector can also be connected to commonly available 1-inch PVC pipes with an outer diameter of 32 mm. Users may also design their own DIY drainage solution according to their actual usage environment.